Good morning. Welcome to Soul Control, the perfect tint at the perfect price. This video was made as we got a lot of requests to explain different tints and the qualities and their costs so that you can decide which is better for your company. What you can offer to your customers. Cost analysis gives you a better knowledge to as if what to charge for the tint job, what you're doing, and what you have to offer to your customers. Basic categories and the types of tint. What I will do is I will try to divide all the qualities of the tint which are available in the market into five basic categories so you can get some idea what exactly is happening. The first one, as the name suggests, is color in the glue. Second one is dye. Third one is deep dyed. Fourth one is metallized, and fifth one is ceramic. What exactly is color in glue? Color in glue, as the name suggests, plastic sheet, another plastic sheet. The glue has the color. That is the worst cut of tint I have ever seen. You will see these type of tints fade within 1 year, and sometimes even I have seen that when you try to tint the glass, you may see the glue running down with a black color in it. The second one is the dye tint. Now dye tint, basically what happens is they dye the plastic sheet itself, so it has more life. Now the quality depends upon the quality of the dye they are using. If they are using high-end dyes, the life of the tint or life of the color of the tint, the stability of the color of the tint is going to be much more longer. If they're using the cheap quality dyes, then of course they are also going to fade with due time. Deep dye technology is only available with very few manufacturers. Deep dye technology is when they are dyeing the granules even before making the sheets. Again, the quality will again depend upon the dyes or the quality of the dyes, but the clarity will be much more. The dyes are basically built into the plastic sheet, so they have a little longer life. Third one is metallized, when what they do is they use the deep dyed or the dye tint and they vaporize through vapors of metal on the tint, so it has a little shine to it, and also it can reject more heat. Then comes the ceramic tint, which is made by a totally different technology. There also they divide it into two categories, I would say. One is coated ceramic, when they are using the ceramic coating on the top of the tint. So in the beginning, when you measure the IR rejection, it may show you 80, 90, 95, and you put it on the glass. And after 6 months or 8 months or 9 months, when you go and test the glass with the tint on it, is going to show the IR rejection is only 70%. After 1 year, it may come to 50%. After 3 years, it may come to 20%. So that is what the IR coating is. But when you use the IR in the manufacturing process, the IR made on the day one should measure after 6 months, should measure after 2 years, should measure after 7 years. So the IR rejection on the day one is 70%, then the IR on the 6 months is 70%, after 3 years is 70%, after 9 years is 70%. Now let's go to the thickness of the tints in the market. The thickness is after you remove the cap sheet. The thickness will be more with the cap sheet, of course. Normally the thickness of the tint are 1 mil 1 ply, 1.5 mil 2 ply, 2 mil 2 ply, 4 mil. From 4 mil and above they are called safety films. 4 mil, 7 mil, 12 mil. 4 mil, 7 mil, 12 mil, they are normally used in commercial buildings, normally used in houses to protect from hurricanes, from protecting breaking in easily. And the 1 mil, 1.5 mil, 2 mil, normally they are used in the cars. What was the fun fact? The fun fact which I once went to South Africa, and there they use the 4 mil on the side windows of the car. When a thief tries to break in with a baseball bat or some kind of tool, he's not able to break in easily. As you know, the thieves have only few seconds to steal, so if they're not able to get in the stuff in your car within say 10, 30 seconds, they will move on. This film is called Smash and Grab in South Africa, because they smash, they grab the stuff, and they move on. And if the 4 mil thin film is installed on the side windows properly, to break in that window, it may take bigger tools, or it may take a little bit more time, and that is where the thieves just leave it and move to the next target. I know I'm trying to show you some other stuff than the cost analysis, but I just wanted to get over the few slides which I had, so that you have a basic knowledge of the tint if you have not um, gone through this before. So let me try to make it as fast as possible. Then there are different kind of VLTs, that is visual light transmissions, how much light will come. So what they do is they make different kind of darkness of the tint. So they may make 3%, 4%, 5%, which is also known as limbo tint. Then they do make 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and some companies even go out to the odd numbers like 18, 28, 32. These are called the medium tints. So if you pick up a 15% and a 20%, if you don't use a meter, you will not be able to really tell the difference between them. The difference is very less. Then the VLTs are between 30 to 45, that is the light tint. 50 to 65, very very light tint. Anything above 70, 75, 80, they are the lightest tint in the market. So basically, the smaller the number, the darker the tint is. So very dark, medium, light, very light, very very light. Now here is where we come to the cost analysis part. How much does it cost to tint a car? Just the cost of the tint. We are not talking about your labor or the tools or the materials you are using. Only the material which we are taking into consideration is the tint itself. So I'll be giving my prices for 60 inches by 100 feet long roll for different types of tint we sell. Disclaimer here, these prices are valid as of March 14, 2023 when I'm trying to make the video. So if you are seeing this video say in some later year, then the price factor will change. But the formula for calculating the price will be still the same. This formula is based on average tint using tinting a regular sedan like Toyota Camry. So if you're just doing the front two windows, of course the cost of the tint is going to be very less. If you're doing a very large SUV, the cost of the tint is going to go higher. If you are using different sizes of the rolls, the square footage remain the same. So when I'm talking about 60 inches by 100 feet, if you're using 20 inches by 100 feet or 24 inches by or 36 inches or 40 inches, it does not matter. The cost is still going to be same. And these cost prices are approximately average prices. So it may change with the dollar or $2 depending on the car you are tinting. What are the different kinds of tint we carry? We carry much more types, but just to give you some basic idea. Uh, Economy, professional, elite, pro, premium, optical, HP, on names given below. What is economy? The economy is the tint which has glue in the color is in the glue, sorry. The color is in the glue. So if you go to my previous slide, you will understand what exactly it is. So this is one of the cheapest tint. Then there's the professional, which is a dye tint. Of course, this dyes are very good quality, but not up to the mark which it should be. Same thing with the Elite Pro. The premium is deep dyed, which some people call it carbon films, or they give you other names. And these are used using American made dyes. So the clarity of the film is very good. The life of the tint is very good. The heat rejection of the film is very good. The UV rejection of the film is very good. And the best part is, after 6 years, 7 years, the measuring of the UV rays, the heat rejection, the quality remains the same. Same thing with optical, same with HP, and same with IR ceramic lids. Now, we carry ceramic light and nano ceramic, that I explained before also. These are dye tints with ceramic coatings, with IR more than 50, IR more than 80. Now, when you're talking about ceramic coating, that's what I explained. The day we install the tint, it's going to measure what exactly it says, and after 2 years, the eye are going to be fading away. After 4 years, the eye are going to be fading away more. So that was the automotive tints which we carry. So after explaining you, these are nearly all automotive tints which we are talking about. We are not talking about the residential and the commercial tint. This is what the thicknesses are. You can just read through it, what film has what thickness, and if you need to know more about any tint, or just send in a comment or send in an email. Email would be preferred. I can personally respond to the email and exactly tell you what exactly the tint is and what is the thickness is, how the thicknesses are measured, why are there different two thicknesses in there. But let's go to the next slide. Now let's talk about the warranty of the films. Again, very good chart here. Economy films, no warranty, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, lifetime, lifetime, 2 years, 3 years, lifetime. Uh, what is actually lifetime or 2 years or 1 year warranty cover? Basically, it covers is if it starts peeling off, or it starts changing its color, it starts fading, or if the meter is reading something else after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. That's how the warranty works. So if you're using a professional film and we give 1 year warranty on it, that means after 1 year it may start reading something else a little bit, or maybe the 5% may change into 6% or 7%. You may not notice it after 1 year, but let's say after 3 years the 5% may become 15%. That is where the quality of the tint comes in. So basically the warranty means peeling, fading, or changing its color. This is what the warranty is covered about. And if you want to go more in detail into warranty, then of course you can visit our website soulcontrol.com. And we are not talking, still not talking about the residential and the commercial tints. Residential and the commercial tint are basically normally the tints which carry about 10 years limited warranty. So when I say limited warranty, you have to again understand what limited warranty is, what glass seal breakage warranty is, what kind of tints exactly you can use on a double pane glass or a single pane glass. Uh, we can go more technical about that, but now we are talking only about the automotive films, so we are just talking about these warranties. Just go through them again. Same thing, if you have any questions on the warranty, shoot me an email. Let's move to the next slide, where actually we are talking about the cost. Till now we are just talking about the thickness, we are talking about the qualities, we are talking about the types, we are talking about other stuffs. So we are still not really gone to the cost of your cost of the tint. So next slide should be able to start giving you the cost. Here is the cost per roll. The roll width which we are talking about is 60 inches. The roll length which we are talking is 100 feet long. The other sizes available, of course, 20 inches by 100, 24 inches by 100, 36 inches by 100, 40 inches by 100, 72 inches by 100, and then some partial rolls you can buy at 25 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet in 60-inch width or a 72-inch width. This is the cost as of date today. See, after 1 year the cost may change, 2 years the cost may change, but today as of date the economy for a 60-inch roll is sold at 79, professional for 129, IR plus ceramic $612, optical, which is one of my best selling tints with a lifetime warranty, is just $299 for a 60-inch. Of course, if this $299 is for a 60-inch, the 20-inch roll is going to be less than $100 because it's 1/3. So we can go into different prices, but let's go to the next slide to get more into cost analysis. This is just the two slides together which I've shown you previously. So this is the type, the thickness, the warranty, the cost of a 60-inch roll. The new thing added here is this one. What is the cost per car? So if you're using the economy, your cost per car of the material only is $6.58, and if you're using the ceramic tint, your cost is $51. If you're using the optical, your cost is $25 approximately. If you're using the premium, your cost is $17.33. So this is the cost per car, and it depends upon the car itself. As I explained before, if it's a small car, the cost will go down. Let's talk about the medium one. Let's say the cost of car is $25. If it is a very small car, the cost will go to $20. If it is like a SUV, your cost may go up to $30. So the cost is going to be only difference between, let's say, 10%. So ranging between $20 to $30. This is the prices I picked up from my customers. What do they charge the customers to install the tint? So economy, they are charging 99, 129, 149, 169, 189, 299, and so on. So this is your gross profit. Gross profit is basically you are charging $99 minus this. This is the profit you're making minus the labor. So the labor is included in this. So what I'm trying to say is, how did I come to this cost? It was very simple. I take a cost of the roll for a 60-inch roll. I assume that every car is going to be covered by 41, 42 square feet of tint. And so what I do is I divide this one by 12. So every roll, a 60-inch roll, should give you about 12 cars. Approximately, this is how the cost comes. So basically, if you're using all the SUVs and Suburbans, then you may be able to do only 10 cars or 9 cars. But if you're just doing the front two windows, you may be able to do maybe 30 cars, 40 cars. So this is an average price. Being into the industry for the last 35 years, I have calculated the cost and it comes approximately this much. Now you know how I came to the cost of a car. So if you're buying a roll for, let's say, $299 and you're dividing it by 12, assuming that it is a 60-inch roll, the cost of the car is approximately $24.91. Let's assume this is the price you're charging to install the tint. So first of all, you have to remember that whenever we are in business, our businesses survive because we get referrals. Our businesses survive because we get repeat customers. Our businesses are mainly 50% to 70% of our business are word to mouth. So if I am doing a good service, if I am trying to provide a good material, I'm trying to provide a good service, I'm trying to provide a good warranty, I'll get repeat customers again and again and again. I'll get referrals again and again and again. So you have to remember what quality of the tint you're trying to provide. So remember, if you are spending $25 on a car and you're making a profit of $200, $204, and here you're spending $11 on a car and you're making $118. Now remember, you're spending the same time. If you take hour and a half to do a car, so you are spending hour on a car. Here in 1 hour you're making $118. Here in 1 hour you're making $204. And if you are able to provide ceramic plus tint, which is the highest quality tint, you're making $250. So in 1 hour the profit changes just by, even though your cost increases, but your profit also increases. So it's better to give the customer better quality tint, better warranty, and you make more money. So you are taking the same time. So it's rather you make $100 more an hour providing better quality tint and a better warranty. Your labor cost is the same. Everything remains the same. Why did I say this is my best selling tint optical? Because customers are very comfortable with this price, $229. Whatever the price you are charging, you may be charging $250, you may be charging $275. So customers, sometimes they don't want to pay $400 or $500 or $600 for a car, but they are ready to pay $200, $300 for a car. So basically you make good profit, you give a good warranty, you give a good material, and everything is perfect. I sell this film a lot. Professional, I may be selling, let's say, 50 rolls a day or 60 rolls a day, a 60-inch. But mostly my customers which I'm selling to, they go into the flea market. And flea market, do you know, mainly the warranty, you know, the quality of the tint. But if you go to my other customers who own shops, who are in businesses for a long time, they will buy anything between this and this, except this, because these are again coated films as I described before. So the only concept here is just to show what is your cost, what is your gross profit, and how can you provide a better quality product and make more money. So you are satisfied, your customer is satisfied, your business is satisfied, and it is guaranteed to give you more referrals, more word of mouth. Now you know what is the cost per car and what is the average profit you're making. Uh, the prices which we uh, picked up here, these are the prices which are normally charged in Houston, Texas, where our office is, where our warehouse is. Now, if you're charging different prices in California, if you're charging different prices in New York, perfectly. Only thing is just put in your price here minus the cost, and you'll get your gross profit. But the main thing which we are talking about is here, if you really care about your customers and their referrals, please provide a good quality work. Please provide a fair pricing. Please provide a good warranty and make more profit. Making more profit and providing a good service and a good quality will not only bring your customers back again and again, it will make your reputation, your office reputation, your store reputation, your shop reputation much more better, and basically you'll get repeat customers. If you like the video, please let us know. Let us know how to improve the video by emailing us at info@soulcontrol.com. You want us to make more videos on any topic of tinting, paint protection films, please let us know. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. We'll try to answer to best of our knowledge, even if you are not a dealer or buy tint from us. Thank you for watching.